Morning guys, 6:30 a.m. walking here in the streets of Paris going to the Eiffel Tower. Let's go! Vlogger kasi. Lakad-lakad lang papuntang Eiffel Tower sa Paris. Ang itinerary Disneyland mamayang hapon. Ang galing na nagawa natin, hindi natin lasahan ito. I'm so proud of us.
Thank you so much. Oh my God! Sabi nga na
Eiffel Tower. Isa pa.
Sama.
Sana humahabol kayong dalawa. Isa pa.
Ayun na magsaya.
Dahan-dahan.
Pwede ba?
Pero, lapit, stop. Sige, lapit kayo. Kabayan!
Good morning from Paris with love.
Yes!
So, anong natin sa Eiffel Tower?
Maganda naman siya.
Parang hindi ka convinced, girl.
Okay naman siya.
Okay naman siya. Kaka-in love.
Tingnan mo.
Nakatayo naman siya.
Ayan siya. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, our agenda is going to Paris Disneyland Paris, and we're going to ride the metro by there. So, ang suggestion lang is you need to get to familiarize yourself with the metro system because it's a little bit overwhelming. But again, pwede ka naman magtanong sa mga tao and then they will guide you where Disneyland Paris is. So, yun ang kasi namin. Okay, so Disneyland Paris. Makikita mo kasi may mga sign naman siya ni Mickey Mouse. So see you there guys! Finally arrived at Disneyland Paris. So explore namin to today and we'll take you with us some pictures para makita nyo ang loob ng Disneyland Paris.
Ensemble l'histoire Disney. Rendez-vous dans quelques minutes avec tous vos amis à Central Plaza.
God, picture mo ako dito.
Dear friends, get ready to... Future is starting right now.
first time meeting you, Rapunzel. I'm from the Philippines.
It's so nice to see you.
Nice to meet you.
And your jacket is the same color as Lynn's.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm your queen for today.
We're a perfect pair.
Yeah, can I just ask you to greet my niece? She's having a birthday.
Oh my gosh, no way. I love birthdays. Happy birthday. Have the
Uh,
best day ever.
Her name is Celine.
Celine. Beautiful. Happy birthday, Celine. Sending you so much love.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Can we have a picture, please?
Yes.
Can
Get in here.
Okay.
L'aventure continue.
portrait.
Porta mo sa road.
Ay,
Already.
hindi naman nagsabi.
1.5 meter na to.
Next stop.
Mag-reels ka doon. Dilim pa. Wow. Ang ayos nito. Parang naabang lang.
Split yung highlights.